Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day because I get to change the wipers on my Land Rover Discovery. These are the Discovery 1 conversion wipers. Basically, Land Rover with the second generation Discovery decided that they wanted to increase their internal profits by offering a wiper that they manufactured. For the consumer, it turned into a mess. If you're a Discovery 1 owner, you could just go to Autozone and buy your wipers. If you own a Discovery 2, you had to go straight to Land Rover and buy the wipers. You couldn't buy any specialty aftermarket wipers like Bosch, the Rain-X wipers, whatever option that you desired, when you had to pay upwards of $40 per wiper. So it became an expensive proposition in keeping these cars. Now, as these cars have aged, Land Rover doesn't necessarily stock these Discovery 2 wipers. So what companies like Atlantic British have done is they have decided to offer a conversion kit. And the conversion kit is awesome because now I can put Discovery 1 wipers on a Discovery 2, and I could go to any AutoZone or any Pep Boys and pick up a set of wipers, or even buy them on eBay, whatever the option is. And I could get like $19 wipers if that's what my heart desires. And I think that's an awesome thing, having options. I was able to get everything inside this box, so let's take a look. I have a Bosch Super Plus wiper, additional wiper. You have your wiper caps, you have your 2 bolts, and your Discovery 1 wiper arms. Let's go outside. So I'm gonna pull into the driveway just to get the best workplace possible. And now, let's begin the work. First things first, these caps are gonna have to come off, and I have a tool, a 13mm socket that's going to fit over the screw, and it's gonna give me the best access point in order to get this arm off so I could replace it with the replacement parts. Since I had previously replaced the cowl, it wasn't difficult to remove these arms. On cars where the cowl has not been removed and the wipers have not been removed for a significant amount of time, you will notice that a lot of these parts get just completely baked on. They're rusted on from the years of weathering. And thankfully I had an easy time and I had the right tool for the job. The reason these arms are also desired is because of their spring tension onto the glass. This allows for a better wiping action and a much cleaner sweep across the windshield. I was able to get the first set in, and now I'm working on the second set. One thing you do have to do is set the wiper arm correctly where you desire to see it. So I have to adjust the wiper exactly where I expect it to sit when it is at its resting state. And then I'm able to bolt it in properly. Perfect. In my opinion, it actually cleans it up quite a bit. Actually looks quite nice. Beautiful. And the final step is fitting the wiper blade into the housing, into the wiper arm, as you normally would. It is fairly simple. You snap it into place, and it sits at the foot of the windshield. So ladies and gentlemen, out with the old and in with the new. These are simple fixes that you can do on your own with very basic tools, and the rewards are endless because little things like this save you a ton of money, and that's the benefit of owning old cars. You can fix things on your own. It is really that simple. On something like this, it's like Legos for adults. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. And I'm gonna take this on a short trip to the car wash because this car is substantially dirty, and I'm gonna test out these new wiper blades. Thank you for watching Discovery One Arms on a Land Rover Discovery 2.